California's biggest airline carrier, Southwest Airlines, plans to use Archer Aviation. Hey hustlers, in today's video we're going to investigate how Southwest Airlines intends to be a customer of Archer Aviation. Before we jump in, let's celebrate our growing community. We're now at around 196 subscribers and pushing towards that 200 goal. We're on track to become the biggest Archer Aviation community here on YouTube, so don't be lazy. Hit that subscribe button and let us grow the biggest and most engaged eVTOL community on the platform. I've also created a free Discord for us all to communicate, collaborate and share the news. It's completely free to join, so let's come together and build a strong community where everyone has a voice. Whether it's good, bad or ugly news about Archer, share it with me and it'll be aired. We're in this together. In this video, we're going to be looking at Southwest Airlines' intentions of using Archer Aviation to enhance their business, and I have found a nice breakdown by the Aero Insider, so be sure to check out their videos too. Let's get into it.
Is Southwest Airlines about to start flying eVTOL aircraft? The aviation world is abuzz with excitement as Southwest Airlines and Archer Aviation have recently announced a memorandum of understanding, or MOU, to develop operational plans for an electric air taxi network. This collaboration raises intriguing questions about the future of urban air mobility and the role Southwest Airlines will be playing in it. But amidst the enthusiasm, one notable detail does stand out. Southwest isn't, at least yet, committing to buying any of Archer's eVTOL aircraft.
Now, this is a little bit different to United Airlines, who have committed to buying 200 Midnight aircraft from Archer Aviation. I don't think that Southwest are a capital backer at the moment. Like United, I think they're more intended on being a customer.
So what does this partnership actually mean? Archer Aviation is at the forefront of developing electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, otherwise known as eVTOLs. Its first aircraft, which it calls the Midnight, promises to revolutionize urban travel. Designed to cut down 60 to 90 minute car commutes to 10 to 20 minute flights. These aircraft offer a vision of a future with less traffic, lower emissions, and faster travel times. Southwest Airlines, the largest carrier in California, sees potential in this vision, but has chosen a cautious approach. The MOU between Southwest and Archer focuses on pretty much just brainstorming operational efficiencies and exploring the integration of air taxi networks at Californian airports.
Now, the interesting thing with this, say the likes of Southwest start using the likes of Archer Aviation, you get the likes of United Airlines using the likes of Archer Aviation, you will start seeing big airlines all trying to get the edge on each other. They'll all want to use these air taxis just to get the competitive edge over each other.
Southwest aims to collaborate with Archer via using its own employees and unions to lay the groundwork for these networks. The goal is to streamline the door-to-door passenger journey, potentially offering customers a convenient airport transport experience. However, nowhere in Southwest's press release does it mention plans to actually purchase Archer's eVTOL aircraft. This is in contrast with...
No, I really don't think this is a problem, because if Southwest intend on actually using Archer Aviation to transport their passengers to the airport, that is easy free-flowing customers coming to Archer Aviation. It takes the risk away from Southwest from actually operating this, and I do think Archer do plan on actually operating their Midnight aircraft, as you can see that they've pumped out their recent app. I still would like to see a collaboration with Uber though, and let Uber take over that type of...
with other airlines, such as United, which has already announced their intentions to buy Midnight aircraft. So why would Southwest engage in this collaboration without committing to a purchase? There are several possible reasons. One possibility is that Southwest might never buy the eVTOLs, but instead strike a deal with Archer for a seamless passenger transfer service. In this scenario, Archer could potentially operate the eVTOLs independently, with passengers connecting onto Southwest flights. This approach allows Southwest to benefit from the innovative service without the financial and operational risks associated with purchasing and integrating a new type of aircraft. But would a manufacturer actually operate the eVTOLs, or could there be other potential operators, companies with experience in urban mobility, let's say like Uber or Lyft? This would add another layer of complexity to the collaboration and would create a new ecosystem where traditional airlines, eVTOL manufacturers, and urban mobility companies all have to work together. Alternatively, Southwest might use the collaboration to evaluate eVTOL aircraft, and if satisfied with the results, potentially become a customer. This cautious approach allows Southwest to understand the operational implications, customer demand, and potential benefits before committing to a purchase. Given Southwest's strong presence in California, the state could serve as a testing ground for integrating eVTOLs into their network. Now, this is all in stark contrast from United Airlines' strategy, who has been a frontrunner in embracing eVTOL technology, having announced plans to purchase 200 of Archer's Midnight aircraft. United's commitment to eVTOL tech signifies a significant step towards integrating this innovative mode of transport into their operations. They intend to use the aircraft primarily for routes connecting urban centers to major airports. For instance, United plans to connect downtown Manhattan with Newark Liberty International Airport, a route that currently takes.
This is quite similar to Delta Airlines' approach that they're taking with Joby Aviation. So just keep that in mind when you're thinking about this. I do think the major airlines are going to start coming in on this eVTOL line.
About an hour by car, but could be reduced to just 10 minutes with the aircraft. But bringing in a whole new type of aircraft comes with some challenges. Into United's operation will require comprehensive training programs for pilots and ground staff, as well as significant infrastructure developments. Vertaports, specially designed areas for eVTOL takeoffs and landings, will need to be established at key locations. Additionally, maintenance facilities will have to be adapted to accommodate the new technology. But it's not just United Airlines that's bet big on this. American Airlines has placed an order for 250 Vertical Aerospace VA-X4 aircraft, and Delta has entered the arena too, announcing their intention to buy Joby eVTOLs. Delta's focus will be on integrating those eVTOLs into their hub operations, providing quick and efficient connections between city centers and airports. They also aim to offer a premium service to business travelers and frequent flyers, enhancing the overall travel experience. Now, going back to Archer's Midnight, it's designed for short urban routes, carrying up to 4 passengers with 1 pilot. The aircraft aims to have a range of around 60 miles and is expected to start deliveries by 2025. The focus is on creating a safe, low noise, and cost-competitive transportation option with zero direct emissions. So, the collaboration between Southwest and Archer signifies a strategic exploration of eVTOL tech potential without immediate financial commitments. Southwest is positioning itself to benefit from emerging urban air mobility trends, maintaining flexibility to adapt as the technology becomes mature. Archer, on the other hand, gains a valuable partner to help refine their operations and demonstrate the practicality of the aircraft to airlines. Archer Aviation has made significant strides in developing the Midnight, and deliveries are expected to begin in 2025. Archer's collaboration with airlines like United and now Southwest will be crucial for proving the viability of their aircraft and potential networks. The MOU between Southwest and Archer opens up exciting possibilities for the future of urban air mobility, and while Southwest is not yet committing to purchasing eVTOL aircraft, the partnership allows both companies to explore innovative solutions and operational efficiencies. As Archer continues to develop and improve its technology, the aviation landscape stands on the brink of transformative change.
So overall, I think we can see Southwest intends to be a customer, not a capital backer of Archer Aviation, as they have not initiated any capital donations or aircraft purchases like United Airlines have. However, having an airline like Southwest on board as a customer creates a nice free flow of actual passengers. But let me know what you think about this latest news in the comments below. Okay, also, help me break that 200 subscriber mark. And let's grow the most honest eVTOL community here on YouTube. And oh yeah, join my free Discord and stay up to date with everything in this hustling community. Alright guys, peace out.